In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your notifications efficiently by closing a noisy comment thread in your project workspace. It's not uncommon for message threads or comment sections to become inundated with updates and alerts, especially if multiple people are actively contributing to the discussion. This can become overwhelming and distract you from more critical tasks at hand. So, let's dive right in and see how you can tame the chaos by closing a comment thread effectively. First, you need to open the specific project you are working on. Once you're there, the key is to locate that particular message thread or comment thread that's been bombarding you with notifications. These threads usually stand out because they have a significantly higher number of replies or interactions than others. Sometimes, when a topic is particularly engaging or controversial, you might notice a flurry of updates, making it essential to manage these settings for your peace of mind and productivity. When you've pinpointed the disruptive thread, you'll notice a small menu icon which typically appears as 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis or More Options menu. This menu is usually located adjacent to the comment or message that holds all the activity. At this point, either hover over this icon or give it a click, depending on how your interface is set up. The icon might seem small and inconspicuous, but it holds the power to bring a level of serenity to your notification box. Upon clicking or hovering over the 3-dot menu, you'll see a list of options you can choose from. Among these, you'll want to keep an eye out for an option labeled something like Close Comment Thread. Now, the exact wording might vary slightly depending on the platform you are using, but it usually indicates a way to halt the influx of notifications from that particular discussion. Selecting this option will effectively close the comment thread just for you, meaning you'll no longer receive alerts when new replies are posted. This is a great tool to utilize when a thread has veered off into a direction that doesn't necessarily require your immediate attention. Once you've closed the thread, you'll effectively be stepping out of the immediate notification loop for this particular conversation. It's important to note that while you won't receive any more alerts, the thread remains open for others who might still be contributing or following it actively. This ensures that while you've taken steps to maintain focus, the collaborative aspect of the project remains unimpeded for others involved. Remember, managing your notifications is crucial in today's fast-paced communication environment. By taking control of which alerts you receive, you ensure your focus remains on what's truly important, helping you maintain productivity and peace of mind. Thanks for joining today, and may your inbox always stay neat.